Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan chickpea and sweet potato pasties. For the pastry you will need 200 grams of plain flour, 130 grams of vegan butter and 2 tablespoons of Aquafaba, which is chickpea water. To your flour add your butter, and with the tips of your fingertips you want to press the butter into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. And then you just want to add the Aquafaba a little bit at a time. You probably won't need all of it, to be fair. You just want to add enough until it brings it together as a pastry. And then for the filling you will need 125 grams of chickpeas, 125 grams of sweet potato, 1 carrot, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of paprika, 150 millilitres of vegetable stock, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Firstly, you want to prep your veg, so peel and dice your sweet potato, dice your onion, and chop your carrot into small cubes. To a large frying pan, you want to add your oil, and then fry your onion for a couple of minutes just to allow it to soften. Then you want to add your garlic cloves crushed, so I just used a garlic crusher. You can just chop it though if you don't have a garlic crusher. Give this a mix and then add in your sweet potato and your carrot. Give this a mix and then add in your flour and mix until the flour becomes incorporated. Then you want to add in your stock, your chickpeas, and then your spices, so your paprika, your chili flakes and your cumin. Give it a good mix and then just leave it on the heat just for a minute or so, just to allow it to cook slightly. And then you want to roll out your pastry, so flour your work surface and roll out your pastry quite thin. So once your pastry's rolled out, you just want to cut out your circles. So I wanted kind of slightly bigger pasties, so I actually used a bowl as my circle cutter. And then just re-roll your pastry, cutting out your circles until all of your pastry is used. And then pop your pastry onto a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper. Put a good amount of the filling to the side of each of your pastry circles, because what we're going to do is we're going to fold that circle over. So you want to make sure that it fits on one side, just allowing a gap around it so then you can seal it up. And then using the remaining Aquafaba from earlier, you just want to brush the sides of the pastry circle, fold your circle in half and then use a fork just to help seal down the sides. It also makes it look nice. And then you want to poke a hole in the top of each pastry just to allow the steam to escape. And then just wash the top of each of your pastries with the Aquafaba again. And pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make vegan chickpea and sweet potato pasties.